Good day everyone, I'm Maylord Patrito and today I will discuss to you about finding the distance between 2 points. But first, here's the formula that we're going to use. Points of 1, points of 2 equals square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. If we denote by the distance between 2 points, point 1 and point 2, we may write distance equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. The positive square root is chosen because it shall be computed only in the magnitude of the segment. For example, find the distance between point 1, negative 5, positive 2, and point 2, negative 3, negative 8. Solution. Designing the given points by point 1 and point 2, respectively, we have x of 1 equals negative 5, y sub 1 equals positive 2, x sub 2 equals negative 3, and y sub 2 equals 8, negative 8. Distance equals, then we have distance equals square root of the value of x sub 2 is negative 3 plus the value of x sub 1 is 2 squared plus the value of y sub 2 is negative 3 and the value of y sub 1 is negative 8 squared. So we have negative 3 plus 2 squared equals negative 1 plus negative 3 minus negative 8 equals negative 11 squared. Then equals negative 1 squared equals 1. Then 11 squared equals 121. Then 1 plus 121 is 1 equals 122. Square root of 122 is 11.1. Then the plot of point 1 and point 2 is located. The point 1 is located in the second quadrant, and the point 2 is located by the third quadrant rather. So our distance between 2 points is 11.1. Thank you.